2013 Ford Escape, going to be replacing a broken antenna base on the roof. Here's the new antenna base. I ordered it online. It cost me $85 and change. This is the part number. There's two part numbers for an antenna base. One is going to include the satellite radio, which is this one. And then there's another part number which does not include that. As you can see right here, there's no access point to get to the antenna base. So what we're gonna have to do is lower this headliner a little bit so we can get in there and get to the screw. I'm gonna start with removing the panels just underneath the headliner in the back. These panels just clip in or snap in. You'll just have to remove them by pulling on them, and they should unclip or unsnap from the side of the vehicle. What I did on this one, I just pushed this upper piece forward. And there's still, there we go. All right, removing this plastic right behind the passenger side rear door. Located at the bottom of the panel, there's a bolt that you're going to have to remove. I removed it after I unsnapped the panel. However, if you choose, you can remove the bolt prior using a 7mm socket. So on the top part, there's a little clip. You're going to have to push this forward. You're going to have to now remove a bolt at the bottom of the panel. It takes a 7mm socket, and you're just going to remove that bolt, and then the panel will come free from the side of the vehicle. Panel comes off. There we go. Got that. Now, from looking at the other one, there's a clip at the top. And there's a bolt, we know, down here at the bottom that you actually have to physically take out. So we're going to, okay, see, I just pushed that forward here. Okay. And we got that clip. And there's another clip right here. Then of course we got this bolt. Now, to lower the headliner from the roof of the vehicle, it's held in by two clips on each side of the antenna base. I use my hand to slightly pry the clip apart from the roof on the left-hand side, and on the other side I used a pry tool to undo the clip. This one just kind of guides it, and it looks like this clip is the one that holds it in. Here I'm just disconnecting the two plugs. To release the black clip, you have to depress a button on the inside of the clip instead of being on the underside. Located just forward of the wiring connectors, there is going to be a bolt that holds the antenna base onto the vehicle. I'm going to use a 10mm socket to remove that bolt. I'm going to be placing the new one in, feeding the cords through. Just kind of finagle it in. Here I'm tightening the antenna base to the roof of the vehicle. Reconnect your connectors. I'm going to reattach the headliner to the roof of the vehicle by just gently putting pressure underneath the clips that were holding the headliner in place. And then I'm going to readjust the molding to be on the outside of the headliner. Reinstalling the panels has proved to be a little bit more challenging than I thought. The two panels located behind the two rear doors, you have to line the top of the panel up with a clip that's on the side of the vehicle, and then you pull back to get it to snap into place. Then of course don't forget to reinstall your bolt. Readjust the molding to be on the outside of the panel. Alright, snapped in.